What happens when you want to listen to music in the desert?
I don't know.
You listen to a song in the sand. Get it? Song in sand. Dude, what happens when elves are always late? Daniel, what happens when elves are always late?
I don't know.
They need to be elf early. Elf early? Alright, the real reason we came here is to
Eat at Ikea.
eat. Look at all that food in there. Boom, all that food. Let's go in. I'm eyeing that kids meal. Dude, those Swedish meatballs look so good. Alright, that's the boy right there. Okay, Daniel. Cheese. How many fingers? Out of 10. 7 out of 10? Dang. Just for the cake. We call a hanger in Australia. A boomerang. Got another one for you. You ready? It's gonna be a bad one. What do you call Adele but a mermaid?
What?
Finn Fordella. Is that too much of a stretch? Got another one for you. You ready?
I don't know.
What's another word for a bidet?
What?
An undersoaker. Okay, I got another one for you. What do they call that, man, when you have to like really poop really bad? And you're like turtling or something? What is that? Turtling? Yeah. What's another name for turtling?
What?
Corking. Daniel, what do you call a really awesome Elon Musk? Cool Musk. She's got a rack on her. Wet again. All this stuff. So much stuff. Hey, Joe.